Kodong' mana jumbe machuo kende to jopuonjre ma jo klas 9 dhi riwore kod skunde gi e pacho kae. Moko kuom skunde nigi midhiero mag classes ma jopuonjre go dhi somoe. Skund sekondar ma Abwao mayudore e kaunti ma Migori nigi nok mar classes mag somo, gino manyalo ng'iko somo mag jopuonjre e kinde ma gidhi chako somo mag gi. Mae kaka principal mar skundono Jackton Arum ne oloso kodwa.
Jackton Ogola, the principal of St. Peter's Abwao Secondary School. Right now, for the last 4 years, the school has picked up well in terms of performance. And even last year, we registered a mean of 6.1. And we managed to take 49 boys to join our public universities. Because of that, right now, the population is 532 boys. And we are expecting around 300 boys. So far, the government has given us 251, but requests are so many. In fact, the request we have can go up to 400 boys. But we have so many challenges right now. The main challenges, there are many, but the main ones, we have problem of classrooms. We have challenges in terms of dormitories, in terms of staffing. We need more lockers and chairs. You know, when the school expands, the facilities must also increase in number. I know right now our classrooms are full, our dormitories are full, and we moved very fast to put up 2 classrooms which are under construction right now using the government maintenance improvement fund. But we still appeal to the government, where necessary, to support this school. Because of 100% transition, we are supposed to accommodate as many boys as possible. We cannot chase them away. So if the government can come in terms of adding more funds to put up more dormitories, staffing, to buy lockers and chairs, I think we can be so much happy as a school. And we have to thank the government. In the past, they gave us some lockers. We appreciate what the government is doing. Teachers, they have been giving us teachers. Even the latest recruitment, the latest advertisement, we have 2 teachers. But we still expect more. I believe if we get support from other organizations, apart from the government, CDF, or community-based organizations, stakeholders, I believe and I'm sure the school will perform better than what we did last year. Right now, our Form 3s, we have very good boys. Form 1s, very good Form 2s. In fact, when you look at the notice board there, we only admit boys with 300 marks and above. We are not biased to the ones with marks below 300. The problem is challenges in terms of facilities. But no boy is stupid. Even if you have less than 200, you are teachable. And I think you have seen in the press where students with less than 200 normally perform. We are also ready to work with boys like that. But the problem are the challenges. So if these challenges are addressed, once again, Abwao will perform better than we did. Right now we are operating as 4 streams. Dormitories, we have, officially we have 2, but we have changed some classrooms into dormitories. We have even changed our library into a dormitory because of COVID protocols. So we still need 1 big dormitory which can accommodate 200 boys. Classrooms, physically we have 8 classrooms, but with this population we need around 4, but even those ones are not enough.